Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Neil and this video is part 2 of solving exponential equations. Let's get started. The first question is 2 to the power of 2x plus 2 to the power of x equals 6. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this equation in this form. 2 to the power of x raised to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of x equals 6. And you can see we have 2 to the power of x in both terms. So let's call this y. And substitute 2 to the power of x for y. Y squared plus y equals 6. Subtract 6 from both sides. So we have this equation. This is a quadratic equation and we can solving this by factorizing. Y positive 3 times y minus 2 equals 0. The product of 3 and negative 2 is negative 6 and sum of them is positive 1. This is the product of binomials with common term. And now we have to answer. Y plus 3 is 0, so y is negative 3, and y minus 2 is 0, and y is positive 2. This answer is not valid because 2 to the power of x is a positive number and y is negative 3 is not allowed, is not accepted. So the only answer for y is positive 2. So y is positive 2, which is equal to 2 to the power of x. So from this equation, x gonna be 1, which is the final answer of x. If you substitute y for x in the equation, you will have 2 to the power of 2 times 1 plus 2 to the power of 1 equals 6, which is completely correct. So we check our answer for this question. Let's jump into the second question. Log base 3 of 81 equals x. So the base is 3, this is x, and this is the argument. So we know that there is a rule that 3 to the power of x equals 81. It's really easy. 81 can be rewritten as 3 to the power of 4. And because the bases are equal, we can equate the exponents. So the answer for x is 4. This type of question related to logarithm is really easy, but I'm gonna solve 2 more challenging of these type of questions. 3 to the power of x equals 5. So in this question, x is the exponent. So for solving this, we should take the log of both sides. So we have log of 3x equals to log of 5. And we have property of logs, which means that we can move x to the front. X times log of 3 equals log of 5. In order to isolate x, you can divide both sides of the equation by log 3. These two cancel out, and x equals to log of 5 over log of 3. And you can use your calculator to find the value of log of 5 and 3 and then divide them to reach to your answer. It's approximately 1.465. This is the answer of x. So far so good. And the last question, 3 to the power x plus 2 equals 4 to the power 2 minus x. This is exponential questions with different bases, so we should use logarithm for value of x. So as I said before, we can take log of both sides, log of 3 to the power of x plus 2, and log of 4 to the power of 2 minus x. And we can move these powers in front of the expression x plus 2 times log of 3 equals 2 minus x log of 4, and divide both sides by log 3. Cancel out. X plus 2 equals 2 minus x times log of 4 over log of 3 gives you can use your calculator, 1.262. And according to distributive law, if you multiply this number by all terms inside the parentheses, we will have x plus 2 equals 2.4. Let me write this. Okay, and then subtract 2 from both sides, which gives you this, and then add 1.262x to both sides to have only one term of x. So x is which gives you, it's approximately 0.2316. This is the answer of x. Okay, so see you in next video. Bye bye.